back. The plushie's getting out of there. Part 4. And yeah, I was having a snack over it. I ate both of the whole entire bags of chips and salsa. And yeah, I had to try this. See, where's the salsa? It's still there. Okay. Hey, look, I want to go outside. If it leads to outside. I want to catch one. 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 I want to go outside. Oh, a barbecue. This is where I need to cook his lasagna. I still got it. It's in my pocket. I can't lift it. Let me try again. Alright, lasagna's on. Now, close it and let it cook. Here's a nice place. I think I'm going to go in the swings. No, I know where I am. I'm gonna get on the swings. I picked this one. I'm gonna do Superman. Hopefully I'll stay on. I know. Wait! That looks fun. Right. After this I'm gonna go to trampoline. Oh wait, that's a big trampoline. I'm gonna go over here on the side. Bye. Oh look, there's a hole for me to get in. Lucky me! Alright, I'm gonna lie here for a minute. This is comfy. I like lying here. I think I want to bounce. Boing, boing, boing. I hit my back. Ow. Trampoline is dangerous. Oh, I know. There's a bug. A big bug inside. I don't want to die. Wow. Camera person hates us. Wait, no. There's no person holding camera. Look. It's just fine, see? It's just floating. Hey, a spider web. Ooh, where's that light coming from? I got it. It's an alien ship. It's an alien ship. That's a small alien ship. Go by. Wait. Hey, where's Mario? I want to go find Mario. And jump! I'm gonna lay here for a moment. I always get tired when I get on stuff and get off. Alright. I'm still gonna lay here. Just lay here and lay here. Now I'm gonna get up. Time to open the door. Now close it. I'm gonna go find one.
Miniatures, there's no need to downsize one's expectations. Here,
It's a person!
this silverware is no
Wait, maybe he's nice. Are you a nice person?
real thing.
I don't think he's a nice person. I'm just gonna look at his fish. Hi, Mr. Fishy. I'm gonna look at the side of a tank. Where's Mario? I'm gonna go back in this room. Outside is not safe. Hey, Sarah. Sarah, when are you gonna be done with chili dogs? 5 years later? What? Why 5 years later? I don't know. I'll see you later today. Okay. Hi, Sarah. What you up to? I went out of her room. Check it out. Whoa. I'm just downstairs and outside. And son. Check out this clip. Check it out. You want to see something cool? Stay still and just keep looking down there. Keep looking. Keep looking. Ow. You're worthless, Sonic. What did I ever do to you? What the crud? What the crud just happened to them? Hey, Funko, I need to go check it. Do you know? Go. What was it? It's moving. I'm gonna go back and see what happened to Sonic and Tails. Say what the crud. Oh, God. What the crud? Sonic got the chili dogs. Yes, I got the chili dogs. Hey, what happened to you guys? Whoa! Sonic! Hello! Say, let's go downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Sonic! I found you! I found this voice, remember? Sonic! You. Hello! What? 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 Okay. Yes. Tails, what are you doing? I don't know. Tails, it's just a floating camera. What's good about it? It looks good. I do not care, Tails. Get out of there! Oh. Hey! So I got you your chili dogs. Where are they? Here. Yeah.